Hello lovely friends, I'm Joyce from Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm so glad to have you back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fondant potatoes. Fondant potatoes are really easy and fun to make. And you're gonna fall in love with this easy potato recipe. So I want you to stick around, watch the video to the end to see how I make this. Thank you. So basically the steps involve peeling your potatoes. I'm using about 6 medium-sized Yukon gold potatoes. Any other potatoes of your choice can be used. So just make do of what you have on hand. When you're done peeling your potatoes, slice the ends off. That way you will have really flat edges at both ends. If your potatoes are longer than mine, you can share them into two. You just want them to be about 2 inches tall. When you're done, place the potatoes in a bowl of water and rinse to get them all cleaned up. Then you can go ahead and pat them dry with some paper towels. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable or olive oil in an oven-proof skillet or pan until shimmering hot. That should be done on high heat. Place the potatoes in the pan flat side down. Fry the potatoes for about 5 to 6 minutes on one end until golden brown. You can move them around just so that they don't stick to the pan. Go ahead and add in 2 cloves of garlic. By the way, those were really large 2 garlic cloves that I sliced into 2. Also add in 4 sprigs of fresh thyme. Lower the heat and add 3 tablespoons of salted butter. I'm using salted butter because I need the salt to get into the potatoes as it's cooking on the stove. You can as well use unsalted butter. Just make sure you infuse the fat with the nice flavor of the thyme and garlic. Once they are golden brown and nice, you can turn them over with a pair of tongs and cook the opposite end until they are golden as well. Salt the pan every now and then and baste the potatoes with the infused butter. Remove the garlic and the thyme, you don't need those anymore, they've done their work. And slowly pour in 1 cup of chicken stock and season with salt and pepper. Transfer the skillet with the potatoes to a preheated oven and roast for about 35 to 40 minutes, turning halfway through the cooking time until the potatoes are all tender. And here you go, your easy fondant potatoes are ready in no time. I would like to garnish this with more fresh thyme before serving. Just take a look at how creamy it is on the inside. And what about those crispy ends? Oh, gorgeous! I love it. Yum! And I know you will love this too. Fondant potatoes are really great when served as part of Sunday roast. However, you can enjoy this just the way you feel like. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave your thoughts down below. And share this video with your friends. And please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do so. And also click the bell icon just so that you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Until next time guys, I hope you loved this video. Bye for now.